So, you think you are bored because life happened to you? The life did not happen for you. Indeed. I struggled for a long time with wealth and abundance. But then I realized those 7 key lessons in my life. Yes, I made a summary for you just to make your life more easy, more purposeful, that you can find your purpose just by copying me. No, you don't have to copy my lifestyle. Like I like to be in the nature, outside. I like to be on my land, like prosperity, 3.5 hectares of land, just for me and my family to hang around. Yes, we don't use most of the land. We just watch it, stare at it, see the nature. and building a house and having a family, that's also prosperity, indeed. As in one video I mentioned that 78% of male deaths, it's all about suicide and loneliness. Yes, loneliness. Modern disease. So, but that's another topic. The first principle why you are not prospering on this very moment is because you don't take no responsibility. Taking responsibility is the first step that we can hack our lives to change it for better. As long as we say that government is increasing taxes, our midwife is doing some crazy shit, or it's all about my cat who needs medical attention. No, it's all about you taking responsibility. First of all, your feelings, your actions, and your setup, how you are going to live your life. I have 5 children, it's so hard. Of course it's hard, but take it. That's your responsibility. That's your creation. So, the second point is really interesting. So, when you understood that you got to be a responsible person, now you must understand that everything that you have on this very moment in your life is your creation. It has result from your own thoughts and actions. Like, for example, you have 5 children. Why you choose to have 5 children in the past? Oh, it was an accident. That child was not planned. Okay, but still you choose to have an intercourse. That was your free will. No, my wife forced me to have. No. No, of course not. So, or maybe how much money you have in your bank account. Have you ever considered investing or cutting back on some expenses in your life? But if you are living from paycheck to paycheck, yes. But if you have been doing it 10 years and you have 365 days per year and you multiply it with 10 and you put aside €1, ₹1, $1 every day for 365 days and for 10 years, and you invest it in general bonds, stocks, or in silver, gold, what happens in 10 years? You will have more money. Yes, of course. So it's all about your mindset. And the third thing is you start today, not tomorrow. You don't put your responsibilities away to tomorrow. You pay your bills today. You generate all the ideas, all the leads that you can do today to make your life better. You see where you can cut your expenses. You see where you can have more opportunities to create some income, or to understand what do you want in your life. Because setting goals and having an idea of where you are going is really important. And that's actually the next point. But actually realizing today, taking this responsibility, what you are going to do, what you are going to feel on this very moment, how I'm feeling about my situation. Can I see prosperity in the little actions that I do today? I have 5 children. Oh, what a blessing. That's an opportunity. I can put them all to make weave jewelry for me. No. No, that's prosperity. Or when your bank account is empty, you can see what do you have? What do you have on this very moment? And you begin from there. You begin from the point where you realize what do you have on this very moment. Like prior having this land and building the house, I had none. I had nothing. But I made a decision. I'm going to build a house. And I started attracting opportunities to my life. So the 4th point is setting goals. So when you set a goal that I have, actually, you make your goal always in the present tense. I have my own Tesla, okay, I have my own house. So, and you start attracting opportunities. But one thing is that you start acting. Yesterday I heard amazing story from my mentor, who years ago she desired a car, and she did not have money for the car. She wanted to have a large car, like SUV, yeah. And she just started booking test drives and renting out the car for a year or even more. She was just going and driving with the car on the weekends, etc. And eventually something amazing happened. Like some people in her life had adopt her husband, like, why do you need such a large car? But she preserved that she wanted, and then she just randomly purchased a lottery ticket one day, and saw, like, wow, 10,000 euros, and she went and bought that car, made the payment to have the car and had a vacation, etc. But it was this perseverance and setting a goal, a dream that she had, and taking action upon the dream. You don't need a lot of money, or you don't even need any money in most cases to act upon your dream. Like, I started my new business a year ago. Like I just did a mind map. What kind of knowledge I have? Like, okay, I have been eating raw food for years. Okay, I have been doing public speaking. I have made over 500, 600 concerts. Okay, I had this experience and I want to monetize it online. Okay, so I got a kick to my boss during the night from the baby, and I woke up and I was like, wow, what's going on? And I saw in my vision, oh, a web shop, a website. Okay, let's make it happen. And I made it, and of course, a few days later I recorded a first lecture on to sell to the audience, and of course I had an audience. So I already had prosperity, I had audience, and now I had a digital product to offer to them. So, and things started rolling. So I saw an opportunity, and it's all about that you sense what kind of things you have. And so the 6th step is having a plan. Like, you had this goal, yeah. I have, I don't know, 285,800 euros on my bank account by 5th of August 2025. Something like that. You set your goal, yeah. And then number 6 is you write down 6 steps of action for this day that you can do. 6 steps of action. 6-step plan for your purposeful life. And those 6 steps are things that you can do on this very day. So step 1, I reach out to all my social contacts. I offer them something. My offer can be, I can help you to move your lawn or cut the grass. Or I can be your delivery boy, whatever. You start making offers, and you can be more inventive. Like, hey, I'm just founding a delivery firm. So do you have some things that you want to transport from one part of the city to another? I have a car, and you just put down 6 steps that you can do today towards your goal. And when you write down the first step, you complete it, and then you take the next step and you complete it. Then you take the third step and you complete it. So outreach to people, seeing what kind of available resources do I have, a car, free time, some past experiences in e-commerce, whatever. And you write those down, and then you look what kind of steps I can make today, and I can start doing that shit. And you can of course start offering some services for free in the beginning, like you take your car, a free delivery service. So I'm gonna deliver for 5 people for free today, and tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. The first delivery is for free, and you leave me a review that I can put it in Google and on my web page and on my Facebook page, etc. And then another idea, I can make a video. Oh, so I started a delivery business, and this is my first video. I'm quite crap at it, but I'm gonna share my journey with this delivery business. And I'm based in, I don't know, Southampton, UK, whatever. So you start putting down your social journey, and you will become great. You will become wealthy in a really short time. Don't worry about it. And so the 7th step, and when you start having incoming revenue from your company, so there's a great thing. 3% of your income donate to a charity and put it as a banner to your website or to your car, to your service. That 3% of your income we donate to animal welfare. We donate to poor people, or whatever cause is important for you. Like I'm donating 3% of all my income to the Estonian eco-village network. Yes, that's because I want to see eco-villages around the globe and around my country. So it's all about eco-villages, going green. Go green. So and then take around 10 to 20% of your income, depending depending on the scale of the income, etc., and invest it into silver, gold, bonds, stocks. And on this very moment, I would say invest it in silver. I'm not going to explain why. You can leave a comment and I can give you a brief answer. But by doing that, investing in silver, you will create abundance and wealth in short term and long term. And there was this, that with this nugget of gold, some 50 years ago, you could purchase a house, and on this very moment you could do the same. So it will hold your value, and it will hold the value in your company. So investing will help you to have something, attain some value, because the money is liquid. We have got strange financial dimes, yes, the newspaper, no. Strange things are happening with finances on this very moment in this world. So it's good to have something physical. That's something you can consider. But yes, But by putting some money aside and investing and growing it, you will start having this passive income. And I don't mean passive income that you do not do nothing. No, you got to follow your passion, follow your goal, do the real purpose of your soul. And you will become great. And you will not be poor anymore. You will be rich, living your rich life. So hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. Check out my other videos. And see you soon. And join the waitlist for the Voice Academy to become better speaker and speak out your purpose. So goodbye.